Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, May 3rd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I have some exciting news, okay? There's a brand new direct mail system opportunity. It just launched. It's not even 2 months old yet. It pays instantly, and it's just on fire, okay? Now, tonight I'm going to do a live and go over all the details about this awesome opportunity. But it's a postcard opportunity. It pays out 100% commissions. It pays out instantly to whatever you set up for your payment processor. You can get cash, money order, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, Zelle, however you want to get paid, you can set it up to get paid that way, okay? What else can I tell you about this? I'm not going to go into every single detail, but I can tell you that the owner, I've talked to him now several times. He's been in the industry for 30 years. Okay, he's been a top 5 earner in 3 different companies in his career. His best month that he's ever had was $45,000. He's created other direct mail opportunities in the past. One of them still exists, which is there's an awesome bonus that I'm going to talk to you about tonight in the video that you get when you join this opportunity. He's a family man. He's a Christian man. His entire family works for him. His wife and his children, he has a son and a few daughters. They all work for him in some capacity, helping run his business, his direct mail businesses. So I just thought it was really cool. When I saw this opportunity, I reached out to him. I've talked to him several times now through email. And he's just a really great person. He's transparent. Again, he's been doing this for 30 years, so he knows exactly what he's doing. And he's put together a really awesome opportunity where they will even do all the advertising for you, all right? If you don't want to mail postcards, they'll do all the postcard marketing for you. If you want to do online marketing in combination with direct mail marketing, they'll do the online marketing for you. All right, they have a Facebook expert that's on their team. They'll set up ads for you. It's just a really awesome opportunity. There's no way that you can fail with this opportunity unless you join and take zero action, which is what most people do. But there's no excuse to not win with this opportunity. Okay, it's just that good. The products that you get for this are amazing. Okay, I'm not going to go into those, but I'll tell you what they are tonight in the live video. I'll give you more details about everything. It's beginner friendly. It's just an exciting opportunity, and like I said, it just launched. It's brand new. Okay, and I think those who are serious about making money from home, especially if you're already part of the direct mail world, this is something that you're going to want to add. Okay, it's a mid-level, I'm going to say mid-level program, but the commissions are paid out instantly, and it's just it's really cool. I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited about this opportunity. So what I've done is I'm giving early access to people who watch this video, and I put a link on my Join Russ page. All right, so you can go to joinruss.com and check out the top link. You can't miss it. It says brand new direct mail opportunity. Click on that, and then you're going to enter your name and all that, and then you'll be taken over to a presentation video that goes into all the details about this awesome opportunity. And of course, you can reach out to me if you have any questions, but again, it's joinruss.com, and check it out. It doesn't hurt you to check it out. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But like I said, if you're already involved in the work from home space or the direct mail marketing space, this is something that you don't want to miss out on, because the way it's set up is really cool. And I love the fact that you are able to get paid however you want to get paid, and it's instantly. All right. Of course, if somebody sends you a money order, if you choose to accept cash or money order, that's going to take a little bit longer. But like I said, you can get paid with Venmo, you can get paid with Zelle, you can get paid with Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, however you have it set up, okay? So I have it set up, you can pay me with money order, cash, Venmo, Cash App, or you can pay with a card through my Stripe account, okay? But check it out. It's on joinruss.com. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And I don't know what else to say about this, but this is very beginner friendly. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any marketing skills. If you can mail out postcards, you can make this work. And if you want to do, if you don't want to do anything, if you want this to be a hands-free business and have the company do this for you, they will take care of all the marketing for you. Okay, that's what they do. And the owner knows what he's doing. All right, that's all I'm going to say. The owner knows exactly what he's doing. So that's it for this video. Check that link out again and watch for tonight. I'm going to do a live where I go into greater detail about all this and how it all works. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. And as always, if you find value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. That all helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you all tonight on my live video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.